Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my CIT 336 Enhancement 6 video. So for this one, we'll go ahead and log in. We'll create an account. So we'll do Bob Green. Password in and register. And then we'll put the password in. And here you can see that we're at a level 1 user of Bob Green. So if we go to the home page, you can see that it says welcome Bob, and you can see that we have the cookies showing here. Now if we add the admin user in, I'm going to go in and get the email for that. Put this in. I'll get the password and log in. We can see that we're at a level 3 user. So I'll go ahead and validate this page real quick. You can see that this page works. Validation. You can see that there are no errors or warnings. So go back. Now, at this point, you're supposed to be going to the product manage page, but for some reason I can't get it to work, and it redirects me back to the home page. So that's all I can do at this point in this video. That's my video for Enhancement 6.